Kwa dhi mbele Jatend migao ma Thieth Aden Duale kawuono ochopo nyim komiti mar od bura mochung'ne thieth kendo odadhoge wi chenro ma sirkal nitiere godo mar kedo kod yedhe mamero ji, mwandu mag ndawa kod midhiero ma gikelo e thurka. Duale onyiso komiti no ni sirkal oseketo okenge mag gayo midhiero mag tiyo asasa kod yedhe mamero ji, ka bende oyiene piny Kenya pod kale midhiero mathoth koting'o tuoche mikelo kod math ndawa ma osemedre e thurkae.
There are many things. The children learn both from home environment and they learn from the outside environment, which is the school. But I think as a country, this is a moral question. It is in fact a question for parents, it's a question for religious leaders. When we take our children to Sunday school or to the madrasa, Ministry of Health cannot take the role of parenting. We can take the role of enforcement on the big people. But if we want to clean our country, I think where we lost as a country is that the role of parenting has become very deficient in our country. Parents must take that role from an early age, whether it is in terms of these drugs.